Open-graded Premix carpet is a modern wearing course that is widely used in flexible pavements. In this video, we will learn about the complete process of construction of open-graded Premix carpet starting from the very beginning. So let's get started. As we know, the open-graded Premix carpet is the topmost layer of the flexible pavement and directly takes the load from the traffic. Therefore, it should be constructed over a well-compacted and properly prepared base course. The first step in the construction of an open-graded Premix carpet is loosening, leveling, and compacting the original ground supporting embankment to facilitate the placement of the first layer of embankment. The top surface of the granular subbase should be scarified to a depth of 150 millimeters. Thoroughly mixed with the required amount of water at optimum moisture content, and then compacted by rolling, so as to achieve the dry density. The next step is providing and laying granular subbase on the prepared surface. The granular subbase material should be mixed thoroughly with the required amount of water at optimum moisture content and then spread evenly to the required thickness and compacted to achieve the desired density. After the granular subbase, we provide and lay crusher-run macadam on the prepared surface. This will form the base course of our pavement. First of all, the material should be spread evenly on the prepared surface. Then it should be mixed thoroughly with the required amount of water at optimum moisture content. After that, it should be compacted by rolling to form a homogeneous layer of the base course by mix in place. Method. Before placing the hot mix asphalt, it is necessary to apply a prime coat on the prepared surface of the granular base. The prime coat serves many purposes, like it helps in cleaning the road surface, removes dust, and provides a better bond between the base and the hot mix asphalt. For applying the prime coat, first of all, the surface should be cleaned from all debris. Then mechanically remove all dust particles from the surface. The purpose of applying tack coat is to provide additional binding between the prime coat and the hot mix asphalt. For this, hot bitumen at the specified rate is applied on the previously prepared non-bituminous surfaces before applying the tack coat. The surface should be free from all debris and should be free from any kind of moisture. The tack coat should be applied only after the prime coat has been applied and open to traffic. The entire surface should be uniformly sprayed with the tack coat. The tack coat should be applied at a uniform rate of 0.6 liters per square meter. Now the surface is ready to receive the hot premix. We have used open-graded Premix carpet as the wearing course of our pavement. For the construction of open-graded Premix carpet, first of all, the aggregates should be heated to the required temperature. The heated aggregates are then fed into the hot bins of the Premix mixing plant. The heated aggregates, along with the required amount of bitumen at a specific temperature, is then mixed in a hot Premix mixing machine. The mixed hot run material is then laid on the previously prepared base by a paver. The paver distributes the hot run material uniformly and also spreads it to the required width and thickness. The edges are compacted by using a hand tamper or a pneumatic roller. During compaction, the air voids are reduced and the aggregate interlocks to provide stability to the pavement. This is known as seal coat. The seal coat bitumen should be of a specific viscosity grade and temperature. Sealed coat is applied using a bituminous distributor. It helps in sealing the voids in a bituminous surface. So this is how we construct an open-graded Premix carpet for a flexible pavement. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. If you find this video useful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more updates. Thank you for watching.